Hi Suresh, good morning.
Shubha.
Sorry to keep you
Hi,
waiting.
good
Sorry.
morning. Yeah, no worries. I was handling other work.
Okay.
Um, yeah, do you have the updated charter?
Yeah, I can share my screen. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me know when you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's coming up, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay.
Okay.
So I made the changes that we discussed earlier, Suresh. In the
Mm-hmm.
background, I've added the abbreviations, added the overall product picture here,
Mm-hmm.
and for the scope, I think I'll be reviewing the cam latch sub-assembly here for the mechanism part, and
Mm-hmm.
accordingly we'll take this further. Apart from that, the MBD will be covered for all top level and sub level assemblies. So these are the two scopes
Mm-hmm.
here, and
Okay, okay.
the tools that we are
So basically,
yeah.
basically it doesn't have any CAD modeler for this component, right? For this entire product.
Yeah, there were few of the parts were there in CAD model, but many were in 2D
Mm.
drawings also. So we not just we created robust design, but we
Mm.
ensured that we are making them as per MBD practices.
Okay. Are you also creating planning to create a drawing inside the CAD model, um, like embedded drawing, like a 3D drawing, or is it something like we gonna create only like a parametric model and then create a 2D
Not yet in
drawing
the
out of it?
in this scope of the project, Suresh. I think only we are creating the
Okay.
3D models and referencing the drawings in Agile right now.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. All right.
And yeah, we
Yeah.
are considering
Maybe I'm
UX.
just
Yeah.
the reason I'm asking is like maybe you can, if the project scopes allows, you can use that also as leverage as one of the value add
Okay.
for building the MBD model,
Okay.
which saves a lot of time and
Right.
yeah.
So you mean integrating the drawings in Windchill with the CAD models?
No, it's basically like we'll be creating the drawing in the 3D space, 3D CAD
Oh,
space
okay.
itself. Like I don't exactly remember the name. It's actually like it's annotated drawing which will be in the 3D space.
Okay. Like
Yeah.
the exploded drawing view.
No. The
Okay,
drawing, like
drawing
for the
only.
component itself, we don't have a separate drawing file.
Okay.
We'll be having the entire definition of the component in the CAD model itself. Like we'll be annotating all the features, GTOLs, everything in the CAD space in different views.
Okay.
The
So
name
that's
actually.
that's not part of the drawing yet, but we are doing that similar approach in this MBD models only. So we're creating another tab in 3D model as GTOLs, and in different views we are just highlighting the GTOLs and as per the 2D
Yes,
drawings.
but okay. Yeah, along with that, we'll be creating the entire features as well. Like whatever the views and drawings we have it in the 2D drawing, we'll be having that in the CAD space itself.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all it's a value add. In case if the scope permits, we can leverage that. Okay.
Sure, we'll look into it. And
Okay.
yeah, so far.
Just just 1 second. I'll just go over the objective. You can also add like robust CAD model and the mechanism definition because you'll be creating the CAD as well, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just developing embedded PC on sub-assembly and top level assembly. CAD assembly. Okay. So I think the value add can replace programs here. Different definitions. In the last point, like enhanced assembly simulation accuracy with mechanism definitions, I don't know. We also discussed like we can able to leverage for any mode flow or for any plastic component in the assembly.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, maybe you can add that. You can add it to the project value, and then it can be either added in later stage or removed depending upon the number of tools that we actually implement.
Yeah. In place of the last comment, I can do that, right?
Yeah, no, along with mechanism definition, you can also add like a mode flow analysis to help prediction better before we finalize the tool.
Yeah, sure, we'll
Like
add
that. Yeah, okay, I think that looks good. Under VX data collection to read. So, have you what is your plan to plan or use proposal to use the tools for the VUX?
So that's what I will be reaching out to the stakeholders to with a set of questions and see what are the expected outcomes and the challenges that they foresee in this MBD and assembly mechanism.
Okay.
How
like
what
an
could be
interview
the,
and
yeah, what would be the benefits?
gathering the.
Yeah, using this and.
Okay.
What is the scope of the project that they're considering? So we received this saying that the scope would be to create a database of all the assembly models of the legacy devices, and we started with PSC1. So I'm just thinking to build around that, and then I've prepared a set of few questions also, but I'm planning to add few more and then reach out to stakeholders and have a connect with them. I can share that also.
Okay. The reason I ask is like along with that, you also need to get the customer's priority on what exactly those needs are. Like you can use that also as an additional tool in the requirement flow. Like once you have the questions, you should know like which one they wanted to rate high and which one they wanted to rate low.
Yeah. Exactly.
Maybe you can have some kind of a ranking chart or something, like a scorecard.
Yeah.
Maybe you can ask. I'm just giving you thoughts like to help more clarity, get more clarity on the customer requirements, the prioritization.
Yeah. So one of the questions also included that what are some of the top priority components that they want to address and create the CAD assembly. But I think the ranking chart will be on similar lines only, just the top priority components that they want us to prioritize.
Right. And once you collect the VUX, it's also important to understand the quality of the requirements or the needs that has been collected. So I think we used something like a tool that is used to validate the ensure the quality which is not ambiguous, it's not biased and things like that. So yeah, we'll go through that for course of action. Okay, that's good. Yeah, from VX standpoint. Yeah, requirement flow. So you're gonna focus mainly on the sub-assembly, or is it something the entire product itself?
The CAD model is focusing on the complete top level and sub-assemblies, but the assembly mechanism, for this project, we are only focusing on this sub-assembly, cam latch sub-assembly.
Okay, so for the P diagram, what is your thought process on building the P diagram for the complete product, or is it?
For the complete product, for Creo mechanism in general and for the MBD models together.
Okay.
So that also I'm still working and brainstorming on that part. Created a draft of it. I'll just share it.
Okay. Right, yeah. No, I just want to understand, like, make sure you are clear on what exactly your focus area would look like. Um, so it's easy to drain down, and then, I mean, sometimes it get easy to get deviated. So on the focus, but yeah, as long as you're
So does
clear, I mean, no, if you want to focus on particular sub-assembly also, it's fine. Uh, but it should not get lost when you are actually looking into the entire product. Basically, like, you can build up what I suggest is, like, you can build a bigger P diagram for the product, and then you can take a particular function or sub-assembly in the entire product, and then do a deep dive into that particular sub-assembly. So which gives you more opportunity to use the tool and familiarize.
makes sense. Yeah. So maybe one P diagram for the overall product family and product, and then another one deep diving into this sub-assembly.
Yeah, because you have to continue have the you have the flow, right? You should have the flow of mechanism of that particular sub-assembly, latch sub-assembly, right? So to feed the input for that sub-assembly, maybe you should have a separate P diagram for that sub-assembly, which would make more sense.
And does it make sense for the overall P diagram to include MBD and assembly mechanism together?
That should be good enough, I guess. Like, because that's the whole purpose of this project, right? You'll be creating the CAD and MBD for the entire product.
Right.
And when it comes to the P diagram, you should understand what are the outcome of your efforts. Like, what could be the noises from the P diagram, and also the control factors, so you can able to address those before you actually dive into the sub-assembly.
Right. So maybe for this, the draft that I've prepared, I'll share it after this call, and let me know if you have any inputs. This P diagram is yet to be drafted. I've just drafted.
No,
the
I think
UX,
yeah.
I'll work on it.
Yeah. You take time on that. Like, I know it's P diagram is a very big work. You need to understand what are the different factors, control factors, what are the noise, and what is the alpha beta errors and stuff like that. So take time and do it. We'll surely review it once we have the charter approved.
Sure.
Yeah, and my next plan would be like, as outcome of this particular meeting, I wanted to get this charter to be approved. So maybe I can schedule a meeting with the coach and your manager to verbally agree to it, and especially the efforts that you put in for this project should not be like get wasted, right? So we'll be get that confirmed, and then you can kickstart your efforts on this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Around robust design is something that I was thinking, what should we include in the overall project? Is it only related to the CAD modules and the different Creo practices, MBD practices that we're using to create this design, so that it's consistent?
Yeah, even the mechanism design and all these MBD practices will also fall under this robust design, right? All the predictions, like for example, the mold flow analysis. Even if you plan to do any FEA for that latch, everything would fall under the robust design. So you can leverage that. That's all I see. Are you asking specifically to something else?
No, that was, I think, FEA and other MBD practices would help to be part of this robust design, I think, so that the model is consistent throughout in different conditions.
Yeah, right.
The checklist, there's also a checklist that we have created for MBD. Do you think it makes sense to include that as part of this robust design? Just to, so that checklist is being maintained for all the components, and all the MBD practices are mentioned in that checklist. We ensure that each of the components follow those all those action points based
Yeah.
on checklist.
Okay. You mean like a drawing MPT modeling practices
Yeah,
and
yes.
drawing checklist?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that will also fall under this. Yeah, for sure you can leverage that as well as one of the practices. Yeah, looks like looks like it could become like a good black belt project as well. Looking into the line of flows and tools.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I just if you want to leverage this for your black belt also, it's fine. Maybe you can focus morely on the initial tools into this project right now, and then maybe once you have the DRM black belt training completed, you can leverage the same project to continue for the black belt as well.
Great. Yeah, sure.
That would be a good value add. And it saves a lot of time and efforts, I guess.
Yeah. So around this, I think I'll update the project value mole flow analysis also. I'll remove this because this will be part of the overall presentation. And this looks good. If this gets approved, we'll just finalize the overall project also.
Right. Yeah, sounds good, Vasundhara. So I'll just what is the best time for you to review this with the coach? I mean the GB approver.
Next week, anytime works for me, Suresh. Evenings.
Next week.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it the same time that you prefer? 9:30?
Yeah, 9 to 9:30
It's my
also
time, so
works. Yes. 6:30 my time also is good with me.
okay.
Yeah, 9 your time. 9
Okay, my time. Okay.
if it gets late also based on the reviewers, it's fine with me.
Yeah, I just want to look out for his calendar.
Yeah.
There was a training session happening this week. I'm not sure he'll be available. Let me check. Yeah, he's actually busy next week.
Okay.
He's actually available from the week after next, like September 29th.
Okay.
So possibly I can schedule something in that week.
Yeah, sure.
So maybe you can go. You can in that meeting. Actually, I want you to explain about the project a little bit more about the background and what is the value add, the objective.
Sure.
And then maybe we can touch upon what are the tools that we've been planning to use, but we can also see what the reviewer says on the flow. I think that's it. We can keep it a little high level, and then we can just the main purpose is to get him familiarized about this project that you're working on, and get your consent from the manager. That's it.
Sure, Suresh. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, thanks, Vasundhara. Maybe yeah, I'll schedule the meeting then. Maybe you can share the chart during the meeting.
Yeah, sure.
That would be helpful.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Thank you so much,
Sounds
Suresh.
good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Yes, it's a very good project, and all the best for you. And try to add more tools, and then so you can actually get the actual benefit out of the tools. So you can see those benefits, and then you can rate the benefit out of it. But maybe you can leverage that into your black belt project as well, as I said.
Yeah, makes sense.
Good opportunity.
Sounds exciting. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure. Thank
Thanks,
you so much.
thanks.
Thank
We'll
you so
connect
much.
back again.
Yeah, let me know whenever
Yeah,
the
of
time
course.
is convenient. Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll send out the invitation. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.